Hi, I'm John Morod from YourNetBuddy.com. Welcome to my review of OrangeBuilder. In this video I'm going to show you around OrangeBuilder, the landing page and single page website builder. So if you're wondering whether to purchase OrangeBuilder, then please watch to the end as I'm going to demonstrate the problems I have come across so far and the response I've had from their support desk, which is Zendesk. If you like what you see and you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for a way to build a substantial online business, then please do check the link in the description where I can teach you a very simple, very user-friendly way of building an online business today. But for now, I'll show you what I think of OrangeBuilder. Right, this is a sales page for OrangeBuilder. It says it's a complete website and landing builder with stunning designs to mesmerize your visitors and pre-optimized to convert like crazy. Now you can build a landing page, ad page, a reservation page for your restaurant, video squeeze page for lead generation, a sales page, a webinar sign up, thank you and shipping pages, a professional site for your vacation packages, your personal blog vlog. And again, if we go down here, it does mention, again, lead capture page. It's the main reason that I decided that I would like to have a look at this software, because of the lead capture page facility. And then if we go further down, it says it's got advanced drag and drop, which it has, but that's restricted to the elements that are on show here. There's some elements missing. I'd also like to, while we're here, I'd also like to show you the sales funnel. The front end is $16.93, but then it goes up to the unlimited edition. So if it's unlimited for an extra $39 on the OTO one, that means that the front end is limited. So at $16.93, it's going to be very limited. There's also a downsell for $29 if you don't want to pay $39. So if you did decide you wanted to upgrade, I would go on to wait for the second. I would refuse the first upgrade because the second one is going to be the same one for $10 less. And then it's got an OTO2, which is more templates for another $39. If you did want it, you can say no and downsell to $27. Then you've got the OrangeBuilder Enterprise, unlimited traffic forever. Then you've got an OTO5, which is done for you, an OTO6, which is $97, and then you've got OTO7 Max. At the time when they made up this page, they hadn't decided on the prices for the others, but you can imagine it's going to come to quite a few $100s in total. Right, let's jump into the actual product itself. Here we are. This is the dashboard. So one of the first things you need to do that I didn't see mentioned on the sales page is you have to link your domain. Now this is a really long, convoluted way of doing it. I don't know why they've chosen to do it this way. So to connect to your domain, you click on connect to the domain, and then you have to put the name of the domain in here. So if I put a new site of mine that right, and then you click on next. And it gives you this code. And this is to be added to your A record of your domain by visiting your DNS provider or registrar. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. You don't include the A, you just take the numbers. So I'm going to just copy that for a moment. And you don't click on next yet because you need to go over to your hosting company first. Now, if you're like me, where you buy your domains at Namecheap, you would think that you'd need to go to Namecheap to adjust your DNS. But I checked with Namecheap, and they said no, because my DNS points to HostGator, which is my hosting company, I need to go to the cPanel of HostGator. So here we are in the cPanel of HostGator. And what you're supposed to do is, although they don't tell you this initially, you have to find it in one of the training videos, but they don't go into much detail. So you have to go down to the section that says domains, and you click on the Advanced Zone Editor. And then you select the domain that you want to add the A record to. and it opens up this here. So it's a type A record, and you have to give it a name. So apparently when you give it a name, you have to put a period after it. And then the TTL, which means time to live, a normal setting for them is about 14,400, which I only found out through looking around. And the address. Now the address is the one that we copied from within OrangeBuilder, so I'll paste that in there. And then you click on Add Record. And it says here, the system successfully added the record. And if I look down the bottom of the zone records, there we are. We've got this 14,400. All the others are 14,400, which is why I did 14,400 for this one. It's an A record. It's got the IP address there, so it's all set. So now you go back into OrangeBuilder, and now you should be able to click on Next, and it will find that within HostGator. And it says the domain is missing a record pointing to orangebuilder.net, or the changes haven't propagated yet. Well, this site has been saying this for the must be about the last 20 hours, because I was trying to do this yesterday and it wouldn't connect then either. So it looks like it's still not connecting. Right, so you can keep refreshing that, but it doesn't make any difference. I tried it for ages yesterday. And if you go backwards, you've got to start all over again. If you go to previous, you now can't go to next again. All you can do is go to previous again and start all over again. You still can't go to next. So you end up having to just cancel it and start all over again, connect to domain name, and you go through it again. I went through that about half a dozen times yesterday and it won't connect. So let's suppose for a moment that you have managed to connect it to your domain, and then you start a new project. And you can choose from these templates. Now I wanted to set up a landing page template, so I went down to this one here because it's got a landing page on it, and clicked on that one. So you have to give it a name. So I'm just going to call it New Landing Page. Incidentally, I don't know if you noticed, when it was building that page, it came up with a little E symbol, in the middle of it, and it's the exact same symbol as Elementor. So I get the impression that this is built on the Elementor platform, but so far I've not found it as useful as Elementor, but it looks like it might have been built on the Elementor platform. Right, so this is the landing page. Now, the problem I've got with the system is there's nowhere to add the API for your autoresponder, because if you want to be able to collect email addresses, you have to be able to add an autoresponder. And I've looked everywhere. I've even been in touch with the support desk, and they said you've got to go through the training videos. Well, I'll show you the training videos in a moment. I've been through all of them. There's 4 of them. And it does not mention connecting your API to your landing page. So we're back inside the OrangeBuilder now. We're just going to have a quick look at the training videos. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And the subjects they cover is what is OrangeBuilder, downloading templates, editing templates, and choosing templates. And they're all pretty much the same. I'll give you a quick example. I don't know whether you'll be able to hear it, but I find them pretty difficult to listen to. They're not very well recorded.
Hello and welcome to another video section. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit a chosen template in Orange Page Builder. Okay, alright guys, so in our last video I showed you exactly a full review of the Orange Page Builder software. Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through the editing process. Okay, say for instance,
I'll fast forward through it a bit. It doesn't mention anything about autoresponders and APIs.
Alright guys, so you can,
I must admit, even going by the training videos, you would have thought they know what they're doing with it. It doesn't look very impressive at all. So even if you go down here, Yeah, here we are, forms. You would expect to find the API in here. There's nothing here. That's an input field, it doesn't do anything. There's a form here, which you would have thought, well, perhaps that's an opt-in form. So if I drag that across and drop it, it's massive. It's got lots of things that you don't need, like the phone number, message, which you can click on them and delete them all. You can delete that. That's the one for a phone number. Keep that one. Keep the name and email address. It's not does not respond very well. But the main gripe is there's nowhere to put your API, which is what would connect it to your autoresponder. Then from there you connect it to one of your lists within GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp. There is nowhere to do it. And so I contacted their sales desk. If I go here, their support desk rather. Their support desk, it's called Blue Force, and I sent them messages yesterday. And this was here. They sent me a link. First of all, oh yes, the first problem was logging in. It didn't seem to want to log in on Chrome. Eventually I managed to get it to log in using Firefox. But anyway, that was the first thing. They sent me a special link to get through, and that helped, because the link that you got within your Warrior Plus account, that just didn't work. So the next problem was that I got in touch with them about, let's see. Yes, I asked them about, I cannot add my autoresponder. No, this was my second message. I'd already asked them about the autoresponder, and they sent me a message back saying, we made provision for you on how to add API. Please watch tutorial and training videos on your platform for clearer understanding on how to access these API keys. Well, as I say, I've been through all 4 of their videos, and they've still not replied. So it looks like it doesn't work, and it's also difficult for you to get your money back. So on the face of it, going by the sales page, it looks very presentable, very clean. They make it, I think they've spent more on the sales page than they have on anything else. As for a marking out of 10, you can't attach your autoresponder to it, so it's no use as far as I can see, unless you just want it to build the odd page on your website or blog, but you don't want to use it at all for capturing leads, which seems to defeat the object to me. So I would give it 2 out of 10. A marking of 2 out of 10. My name is John Morod. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And if you're looking for a way, in the meantime, to build a substantial income online, then please do check out the link in the description, where I can teach you a very simple, very user-friendly way of building an online business today. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye.